I'm just going to give you a quick update on what we're doing with the vehicles. So this one, last night, we managed to get the boot floor out of it, half of the interior out. We've got most of the engine disconnected, fuel lines off, fuel tank off, back bumpers and tow bar off. So what we're doing at the moment is the last of the interior we couldn't get to because of the placement of the pillars on the ramps. Just going to take the last of the carpet and all that out. We're going to jet wash from the inside where we're missing the boot so that we can get to the bits of the chassis that we wouldn't ordinarily be able to get to because of obviously the boot floor would be in place and we're not removing the body. So we're just going to take full advantage of having a hole in the boot at the moment. Oh, come on, John!
So we're now working on the red Land Rover. We're doing pretty much what we did on the back of the green Land Rover. We need to make, down the side of the boot, there's a shape, which is this shape here. So we've got to make a load of these and then fit them into the bits that we've had to cut out of the red Land Rover using this plate here. Right, what we're doing here is making panels for in the back of for the boot lid to sit on. It's just 0.8 sheet metal, and we're doing 2 folds to make that shape, and the boot lid will sit along that edge there. We haven't got quite the right equipment to do the job. We've got this little box folder here, which normally has this bolted on there. Which gives you a nice crisp fold in your metal, but because we need to go 2 folds, one that way and one that way, to go like that, this machine doesn't do it. So we've had to take the front extra bit off, and now we have to ease it over with a hammer while we're doing it, and we're just making the best of what equipment we've got at the time. And we've made these with the double fold in, which will be going here to link up with this. Obviously we've got to put another fold in here so it marries up to that. But that'll be roughly going there with another fold to bring that up there. And we've got to work our way across to the end and all the way around.
I'd like to thank two metalsmiths from Fabricating Remy who have actually come down today and really catapulted us on with the work. They've helped us get a lot of the prep work done and doing some of the welding that me and Gav were actually getting a little bit behind with. I can only say that the work that they've done is excellent. So they've welded in this section here, another section in on the chassis here. Also cleaned quite a lot of it up, and it's got us on so then we can get these sections that we've now folded up will actually come in and they can be put in here to replace where the rotted section is. And we've got a similar format on the other side. We're going to complete one side so then we can get the actual boot floor in and offer it up to make sure that we're going in the right path and we're not going to make any mistakes.
Finished it, there's just a little bit to put in on the back, but as you can see, the most of it is done. The bootleg's just resting on at the moment, so next time, first half of the day, that'll be done and dusted, and we're in good shape.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and on Twitter.